Hi, I'm Jeff Scott from Sussex Installations. This video is showing our gold package for the older style Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic and Nissan Primastar style van. So to start with, the biggest problem seems to be on these vans, this big plastic handle that was on the back as standard here, and people ripping that off the bodywork and reaching in to get at the actual parts inside the door. So what we've done is we've taken that off and we fitted our slam handle. So this is a metal handle blank, and it takes off that big plastic vulnerable handle, and we've also got a slam lock fitted inside the handle blank. And inside this door there's actually a metal plate which covers up on the inside against the vulnerable latch mechanism. This plate's actually not with our package, our plate is internal. This is just something else that's on this vehicle. So how this functions is, as soon as the door is in the closed position, this will be locked and the customer will need to use his key each time to pop and open the door up. And I'll show you that in a minute. The other thing we've done is we fitted a deadlock. So we fitted a deadlock. This is our T-Series factory approved deadlock, and this is up high on the door. So this is given an extra securing point up the top of the door if someone's to try and start to fold the door down. So that's an extra thing which we fitted on this side door. And it's the same key for this lock as it is for this lock. And it's also the same key for what we fitted on the side door here, which is this lock here. So this is another extra deadlock, factory approved T-Series deadlock. And again, this is quite high up on the passenger side side load door. It's a mid-high position, and the idea is that the manufacturer's securing point is lower down. We've got a securing point up high, so if they do start to fold the door down, we've got an extra securing point. Basically, the deadlocks, they're just an extra layer of mechanical security, completely separate from the manufacturer's remote. And if the deadlock's on and they try to open up the door, it just opens a few millimeters and the deadlock stops it. So that's that extra mechanical layer of security on the van. And I'll just take that deadlock off now. There's just a bit of pressure pushing against the deadlock where I've tried to open up the door. And on the back door, same thing here. You've got the deadlock up the top there, so it would only stop it opening more than a few millimeters. And we've also got the slam handle in the backs too. So with the slam handle, I have to pop and use that key each time, but because I've opened up the door and the deadlock's actually on, it's just gone a few millimeters. I'll just take the deadlock off now, and all these locks are running off the same key, just to reduce the inconvenience of having so many keys. So key into the slam handle, open up the door. If I close the door, it's already locked by this one, so you have to use the key each time you want to open up the door if you have this lock fitted. But it is a very good security option for this van. Twist, pop, open up the door, close it. And then if you are in a more like in an area where you think that you want to add the extra security overnight, or you're just feeling a little bit more vulnerable, then you can just put the manual deadlocks on, put them in, twist, and that's the lock on. Go around, do the same on the side load door, put it in, twist, and that's your deadlocks on. And then you can do the double lock of your remote control from your factory remote. But also you've got that added security now that you've got this internal, not this one on the outside, but you've got internal shielding that comes with a slam handle, which is stopping the people from attacking the latch mechanism and bypassing your factory deadlocking. Now, if you're looking for security for your older shape Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic or Nissan Primastar, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.